Hi mom, classmates. So this is my PSC jar. Uh, I made it very simple and yet it's nice. I wrap it with gold and tied it with silver and white and ribbon. And my insight that I wrote here is the Mika smile because it's very important to us, especially in our industry. The smile, no matter what we feel or what if we are having a bad day, we should not forget to wear our beautiful smile because a smile put us on the right track. If you lose your smile, you lose your way in the chaos of life. And that's all, mom. This is all my insights, and thank you.